go around some beautiful mountains and see the local culture, food. I love China. I've been visiting for many years.
I really love traveling in China. It's my first time to be here, and I feel like all the people are so generous and so kind and so helpful. Even though I don't speak Chinese, everybody was trying to help me out when I couldn't find my way, or I tried to order food or something like that. I really love the food as well, so China has been great.
I can just come and go when I like. When I can leave Australia, come and see my granddaughter, anytime I like, instead of going and applying for a visa all the time.
I love traveling, and I have friends in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I figured it was boring to fly to Chiang Mai, Thailand. I could fly to Kunming and take the train to Laos and then go to Thailand from there. I get to experience Kunming and China, which is exotic, I guess, for Americans. And I want to meet the people and try the food and see the culture.